Hi everyone! Dev Patel here, just a small part of this big, amazing world. Today I am thrilled to take you on a journey to a place that is not just a destination, but an experience. A place where every corner has a story to tell, and every face has a smile to share. Today we're going on an adventure, one that will take us through bustling streets, serene landscapes, and vibrant festivals. This is a story about faith, strength, and a really cool culture. It's about the people who make this place so special, their traditions, their celebrations, and their everyday lives. We're off to Barpeta, a city in the middle of Assam, India, where the Brahmaputra River is like the heart of everything. This river is not just a body of water, it's a lifeline, a source of inspiration, and a witness to the city's history. Imagine a place with old temples that whisper stories of the past, music that fills the air with joy, and food markets that tantalize your senses with delicious aromas. The temples here are not just structures, they are living monuments that have stood the test of time. That's Barpeta, a city that holds on to its traditions like a tree holds on to the ground. The people here are deeply connected to their roots, and their way of life is a beautiful blend of the old and the new. Come with me. Let's explore Barpeta's secrets and enjoy its special rhythm. Ready to go? Let's dive into the heart of Barpeta and uncover the magic that makes this place truly unique. From its historical landmarks to its cultural festivities, there's so much to see and experience. So pack your bags and let's get started on this incredible journey. Our trip starts in western Assam, where the big Brahmaputra River flows through bright green land. About 90 kilometers west of Guwahati, we find Barpeta. Imagine driving on a curvy road smelling fresh earth and tea leaves. Sunlight shines through the trees, and then you see it. Barpeta, a city that looks like it grew right out of the ground with temples pointing to the sky. Time slows down here and life follows the seasons and the river. Welcome to Barpeta, a city that feels as special as it looks. Barpeta's story, like India's, is all about faith. This small town in Assam is a living testament to the power of belief and devotion. Nestled amidst lush greenery and serene landscapes, Barpeta is not just a place, it's a spiritual journey that has been unfolding for centuries. Here, people don't just believe, they live and breathe it. Every prayer, every ritual, and every festival is a vibrant expression of their unwavering faith. The air is thick with devotion, and the community comes together in a harmonious blend of spirituality and tradition. Let's go back in time to the 1400s, when a holy man named Srimanta Sankardev came here. Sankardev was not just a spiritual leader, he was a visionary who saw the potential for a new way of life. His teachings were revolutionary, focusing on devotion to a single deity, Vishnu, and promoting a sense of unity and equality among his followers. He started a new way of thinking called Vaishnavism. This was not just a religious movement, it was a cultural renaissance that touched every aspect of life in Barpeta. From music and dance to literature and art, Vaishnavism became the heartbeat of the community. His teachings changed Barpeta forever. The town became a center of learning and devotion, attracting followers from all over Assam and beyond. The legacy of Sankardev's teachings can still be seen and felt in every corner of Barpeta. You can see this at the Barpeta Satra. This sacred monastery is not just a place of worship. It's a living museum of the town's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. The Satra stands as a testament to the enduring power of Sankaradev's vision. Imagine a place with old walls that have seen centuries of prayer, where chants mix with the smell of incense. The Barpeta Satra is a sanctuary of peace and devotion where the past and present coexist in a timeless embrace. This is the Barpeta Satra, a reminder of Sankaradev's teachings, where his student, Madhavdev, started a tradition that's still alive today. The rituals, the prayers, and the sense of community continue to thrive, keeping the spirit of Sankardev's teachings alive for future generations. Barpeta isn't just about history and faith, it's a lively city where old and new mix together. Walk down the streets and you'll see bright colors, hear lots of sounds, and smell amazing food. It's busy and exciting, but during festivals, Barpeta really shines. Imagine crowds of people lit by lamps singing and celebrating together. Picture the Rath Yatra, the chariot festival, where the god Jagannath is paraded through the streets. It's exciting, with chanting and energy everywhere. This is Barpeta at its best, a city that loves to celebrate life, faith, and its own special culture. Want to see the beauty and history of Barpeta? You're in the right place. This charming town in Assam is a treasure trove of culture, spirituality, and natural beauty. From its historic temples to its serene landscapes, Barpeta offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Assamese heritage. First, let's explore the Barpeta Satra. It's more than just a temple, it's a living piece of Assamese culture. Founded by the great Vaishnavite Sant Madhavdev, this Satra is a hub of spiritual and cultural activities. The architecture is a blend of traditional Assamese and Mughal styles, making it a visual delight. Imagine seeing the beautiful Satriya dance, a classical dance form that originated in the Satras of Assam, or hearing the soulful Bogey music, devotional songs composed by the Saint Surimanta Sankadev. These performances are not just art, they are a spiritual experience that connects you to the divine. But there's more to Barpeta. Close by is the Batgan Temple, a peaceful place dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is a sanctuary of tranquility where you can feel the divine presence in every corner. The temple's serene environment makes it a perfect place for meditation and reflection. Imagine the cool, quiet air inside, the smell of incense wafting through the halls, and the soft glow of light filtering through the temple's intricate carvings. It's a sensory experience that calms the mind and soothes the soul. And if you love nature, visit Calgachia. This place is a haven for nature lovers, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The lush greenery and diverse wildlife make it a perfect spot for birdwatching and nature walks. Picture green hills rolling into the horizon, birds singing melodious tunes, and a feeling of calm enveloping you. Calgachia is not just a place, it's an experience that rejuvenates the spirit and refreshes the mind. And don't forget the Sri Sri Madhavdev temple, where you can almost feel the presence of the great saint. This temple is a testament to the spiritual legacy of Madhavdev, attracting devotees from all over. The temple's serene ambience and beautiful surroundings make it a perfect place for contemplation and prayer. Life in Barpeta, like the Brahmaputra River, has its own special rhythm. It's a place where the land tells old stories and people live with nature. Farming is important here. Imagine huge fields of green and gold. Farmers work hard, growing rice, jute and tea, the things that keep Barpeta going. But there's something new happening in Barpeta. More and more people are visiting. They come to see the temples, learn about the culture, and take a piece of Barpeta home with them. So how do you get to Barpeta? Getting there is part of the fun. It's connected to Guwahati by road. Imagine driving, watching the scenery change from city to countryside. If you like trains, take one to Barpeta Road Station. Picture yourself looking out the window as the train goes through tea gardens and villages, and there are buses too. The government knows Barpeta is special, and they're making it easier for everyone to visit. Barpeta loves to celebrate. All year round, there are festivals full of colour, music and tradition. The biggest festival is Bihu. Imagine a time when the earth is ready for new crops and everyone is excited. This is Bihu, the Assamese New Year, a time for big parties, traditional dances and lots of food. And then there's Rath Yatra, the chariot festival. Imagine the streets filled with people watching Lord Jagannath's parade. It's an amazing experience full of prayer, drums and happy shouts. You can't visit Barpeta without trying the food. It's as colourful and interesting as the city itself. Imagine a traditional Assamese meal, smelling all the spices. Rice is the main food, served with lots of other dishes. There's fish from the Brahmaputra River, cooked with mustard or in a rich sauce, and there's meat cooked with special spices, but it's the little things that make Assamese food special. Imagine eating pitha, a sweet rice cake, or masatenga, a tangy fish curry. And don't forget lassi, a cool yogurt drink. So that's Barpeta, a city you won't ever forget, a place with old temples, exciting festivals, and friendly people. I hope you want to visit Barpeta now. Walk its streets, learn its rich history, and try the amazing food. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more adventures in India. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering.